getting places wasn't the painful and time-consuming ordeal it often turns out to be? What if you could get door to door in a quick and effortless fashion? And what if you could even enjoy the commute? Introducing Antler. Antler is a smart electric bicycle for the modern commuter. It makes personal transport effortless, cheap, and fast. Antler's electric assistance takes you further without breaking a sweat, while giving you all the freedom and fun of a regular bicycle. Riding Antler is hassle-free. You simply cycle. It's effortless. The electric assistance makes pedaling lighter, giving you superpowers and a smile. You can easily pick it up and place it where you need it. Because of clever materials and technology, we've made the bike 35% lighter than the average electric bike. It makes pedaling so easy, even hills become flat. You can bike for 70 kilometers on one charge, and if you need to go even further, it works just like a conventional bicycle, and you simply pedal on. By regulating how hard you pedal, you control the extra oomph. This means you will always have control over the bike. The minimalist looks hold all premium components. We've also made it super affordable by cutting off the distributor network and getting the bike directly to you. All of us in the founding team have been looking for an effortless way to get door to door without breaking a sweat. Being avid cyclists, we saw that the only way to introduce an accessible, high quality, and great looking electric bike into the world was to build it ourselves. By using premium parts and fitting the battery into the frame, we've come up with a great looking and lightweight commuter bike that's tons of fun to ride with. All of our bikes are hand assembled in Europe, and thanks to an already established supply chain, they will be delivered on time.
Introducing the Schwinn Sycamore Dual Sport electric bike line. Schwinn is well known for making quality bicycles, but the idea of an e-bike might be new to you. Let me explain. A Schwinn e-bike has a motor and battery integrated into the bike. When you pedal, the motor activates and provides an extra assistance that you control with a thumb pad on the handlebar. The removable battery will last for miles and recharges from an ordinary household outlet. The extra power boost from the motor is enough to help you ride further, faster, and climb hills with less effort. The predictable control and simplicity of riding a bike with the added smooth power of the electric motor makes riding efficient and almost effortless. Anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors and health benefits of bicycle riding without some of the situational challenges like sweaty hill climbing and lengthy travel times will find Schwinn e-bikes a welcome recreation and commuting option. Schwinn has thought through the electric components for you. The Schwinn Sycamore has a 350-watt rear hub motor with a thumb controller on the handlebar. The bike features an LCD display showing battery life, assistance, and basic cycling computer features. There are 5 levels of boosted power assistance, up to 20 miles an hour. The battery will typically last 40 miles or more depending on the level of assistance used and how you ride. It will also recharge from empty in about 6 hours, whether it's on or off the bike. You can't beat the fun and ease of riding the Schwinn Sycamore e-bike, featuring a comfortable dual sport aluminum frame, SR Suntour NEX suspension fork with hydraulic lockout, 700C double-walled alloy rims with stainless steel spokes, semi-knobby tires with an added puncture resistance layer, 8 speeds with a Shimano Altus trigger shifter and Shimano Alivio rear derailleur, front and rear disc brakes, a cushiony sport saddle, and comfy grips. The Schwinn Sycamore is available in small through extra large men's frame sizes and small and medium women's frame sizes. It comes with a 2-year warranty on the battery and electric assist parts and a lifetime warranty on the frame and fork. The simplicity and effortless ride of a Schwinn e-bike lets you enjoy all the fun of biking. Discover the freedom of riding a Schwinn e-bike.
At Halfords, we stock a variety of e-bikes, electrically power-assisted bicycles making cycling slightly less tiring. With the price ranging from £600 to over £2,000, we have quite the selection. Let's begin with our electric hybrid bikes, this one being the Carrera Crossfire E. This bike comes equipped with a 417 watt-hour battery that can power up to 60 miles of pedalling on a single charge, allowing you to keep up with your speedy friends or kids. The battery pack is removable for convenience and security. You don't have to bring the whole bike inside to charge it. The motor helps you as you pedal, but you can choose how strong the assistance is. Choose a lower mode for more exercise and a higher mode for more power. The Carrera Crossfire has many great features, including a digital display on the handlebar, which relays information like speed and mileage and allows you to control the assistance levels from the motor. If you're more of a mountain biker, then the Carrera Vulcan e-bike is for you. Its carefully balanced weight distribution and grippy 650B tyres give you the ultimate control on those tricky trails. For the city commuters, we have our folding e-bikes, like this Carrera Cross City E, that allows you to travel to work easily. Perfect for arriving to work in a fraction of the time without breaking a sweat. Its folding frame means the bike is extremely compact and easy to store, and if you decide not to ride, it can be taken on most public transport without booking in advance. Or if versatility is what you're after, perhaps the Carrera Crosspath E electric hybrid bike is your perfect ride. It combines all the best elements from both road and mountain bikes and features a step-through frame, making it easy to get on and off. Halfords e-bikes aren't disguised motorbikes to conform with UK law. There are no throttles and the motor assistance cuts out above 15.5 miles per hour, which is a common average speed for a fit cyclist. So after that, it's all up to you and your legs. The best way to get a feel for these bikes is to visit a store and take a free 30-minute test ride. You'll be amazed how much fun they are. If you want to delve deeper, head online where you can see our full range and book a 48-hour e-bike trial. If you'd like more information on e-bikes, pop in store where a member of the team will be happy to help. Or to see our full e-bike range, head over to the Halfords website.
The Pedigo Conveyor is a bicycle commuter's dream. It seamlessly integrates the latest technology with practical features for everyday use. A lot has changed since the bicycle was invented over 200 years ago. The Conveyor brings it all together to give you the ride of your life. A German-engineered automotive-quality Brose motor delivers exactly the right amount of extra power. It feels like you're one with the bike. A state-of-the-art battery uses the same advanced lithium-ion cells as an electric car. It weighs less than a house cat, and it's built into the frame for sporty handling. GPS connectivity includes anti-theft tracking, crash detection, and emergency alert. A carbon belt drive gives you a whisper-quiet ride with no messy chain grease. It's been tested to last over 10,000 miles, which is almost halfway around the Earth. An 8-speed internally geared hub provides easy pedaling and shifting that's as smooth as butter, even at a complete stop. The Conveyor is fully loaded with user-friendly features that make riding even more fun and practical. Top-of-the-line hydraulic disc brakes stop on a dime with the greatest of ease. An easy-to-use display keeps you informed and features a micro USB charger for your phone and other devices. Built-in front and rear lights with an automatic sensor enhance your safety and convenience. New Smart Bike technology includes a Bluetooth-connected smartphone app. Fenders with mud flaps help keep you clean and dry. And extra-wide balloon tires with double flat protection give you peace of mind as well as a nice, soft ride. Every Pedigo is lovingly designed in California with you in mind. They are crafted with select brand name components from the ground up. Small details make a big difference, and when you ride a Pedigo, you can tell we really care. Pedigo is a fun company, and yet we're gravely serious about one thing: uncompromising quality that lasts. Combine Pedigo quality with the peace of mind of an industry-leading 2-year warranty, and you'll be smiling too. Visit a Pedigo store and try one free today. Hello, fun!
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.